Well gone, traders. Yeah, the traders here again. Alright, guys. Hopefully, we have gotten over the fiasco with regards to the reverse split, and the dust has now settled, so we can get back to business in regards to Muln. So let's jump in and see what the stock is doing. So I'm going to zoom in on the 5-minute chart. So as you can see here, guys, we yesterday had hit an all-time low. This is the level that we had. It was at 6 cents prior to the reverse split. So I've drawn a line where the reverse split had happened, and at 6 cents we would have converted over to $1.60. So we are below that level. We went below that level, and we have pushed back up a bit, retested the $1.60 in the pre-market, and we have kind of fallen back down a little bit, guys. So the dust apparently is not yet settled. We are still there in the battle zone, I would say. So let's see what's going on the Yahoo Finance. So as you can see on Yahoo Finance here, the stock fell 8% yesterday. Pre-market, we are up a little over 1%. In terms of market cap, this is interesting because prior to the split, or when the split happened, the market cap was actually 5.5 billion, and it fell yesterday to 4 billion something, but now it at the end of the day it came back up to 5.5 billion. So apparently, people were buying the dip when it came down to the low levels, the $20, 29, 27 thereabout. People were actually buying the dip. So market cap, we did not lose any market cap yesterday. In terms of volume came in 3 times the average, 43 million compared to 11 million. In terms of comparison to the overall market, the market was basically red yesterday. TSX almost down 1%, S&P, the Dow. In terms of the comps, Muln actually got a little pop yesterday, 5.5% up. Lucid flat. Ride fell 7%. Fisker up 4%. Ford down almost 2%. So we got some news yesterday with regards to Muln. And this is what they basically had published, that Muln readies for commercial launch and announces customer pricing for the Class 1 EV cargo vans and the Class 3 EV cab chassis trucks. So they're now saying these are available, and it's being done through Randy Marion. So here are the price points. In receipt of purchase order from Randy Marion Automotive, announces customer vehicle pricing for the Class 1 EV cargo van starting at $34,500 and the Class 3 EV cab chassis trucks at $68,500. So not to get into details here, but what they're basically saying, the vehicles are available, and if you purchase the vehicle like the Class 1 urban cargo van, you will get a federal tax rebate of $7,500, bringing it down to $27,000, which is pretty good. Spoke about the details in terms of the mileage, the payload, that type of thing. And then for the Class 3 urban utility chassis truck, with a price of $68,500, you also get a tax credit of $7,500, and the net value would be $61,000. But on top of that, they're saying that there is a incentive, such as the California HVIP program, which offers up to 45,000 incentive for commercial Class 3 products like the Muln 3 EV cab chassis truck. So that's pretty darn good, guys. So if you look and see what this program speaks about, it's has a program in place that deals with both buses and truck, and it encourages clean energy. So as it says here, incentive for clean trucks and buses, point of sale discount to power California communities and drive commercial technology transformation, which is pretty good. So overall, guys, Muln on a whole, yes, it fell. People, there still seem to be people that believes that yes, the stock will do something in the long run. So if we look at the options, the option calls that are coming in before the split was actually pretty high, but yesterday it was a little bit on average, 23,000 in terms of calls. Open interest 24,000 for today. Call it 25,000. For next week, 14,000. And for the following week, 15,000. So as usual, that I keep my eyes open to see what the open interest is saying, because that is usually indication of what the stock will do. And 4 out of 4 times I was right in terms of something major. The last time I had mentioned to you guys that there was open interest of 107,000 3 weeks before the 21st of last month, 21st of April. And yes, news did come out on the 21st of April with regards to Lawrence and all that, who we didn't hear about before. So we keep an eye on these open interest, guys, to see what will be happening down the road. Alright, so that's kind of what I have for you for today, guys. So we'll just keep our eyes, peeled, keep our eyes open in terms of what's going on with Muln. And I'm hoping that, some good news will come out, get the stock moving back up. We have moved on past this reverse split issue now. So we're just hoping that at the end of the day, we will see, deliveries being made. And as I can see there, the vehicles are available for customers to start ordering through Randy Marion. Okay, guys, so, that's kind of what I have for you for today. So as usual, if you like this type of content, don't forget to hit the like and don't forget to subscribe. Take care, guys.